And so there's a lot of very interesting dynamics in the data pipeline space that are driving quite a bit of change. And so the way I look at this is that there's been this three-stage evolution of data pipelines. The first phase was what we could call the loading phase, where you have periodic ETL batch loads from relational databases to a data warehouse to support operational reporting, to support operational dashboards. And that was a traditional paradigm. Um, these batches were taking place every day, every week, maybe every hour. And it was a pretty predictable, sometimes clumsy, but usually pretty predictable and unchanging paradigm. In the 2010s, there was a move to consolidate because there was a rise of new types of sources of data where you've got SaaS applications, you've got IoT sensors, you've got social media feeds, all kinds of things are generating new types of data, some of it multi-structured data now. And there was a real desire, enterprises sought to consolidate all that data onto an enterprise data warehouse, increasingly on the cloud, both with batches, with incremental batches, and with streaming technology. And this was to support BI and other types of analytics initiatives, looking at predictive analytics, looking at data science. In my view, the consolidation phase, data consolidation proved to be a bit of a mirage because while organizations can and do consolidate some or even most of their data for analytics onto a given cloud data warehouse, there's a long tail of other data that's going to continue to reside on premises, that's going to be spun off and put into other clouds. And as a result, the reality that we're dealing with now are these heterogeneous hybrid multi-cloud environments for most enterprises. If you have an enterprise that was born in 2015, cloud only, that's easier. But most enterprises in the Fortune 5000 are really looking at these hybrid environments, a long tail of data throughout this distributed world, and they're dealing with complex real-time data flows. They need to synchronize that data across multiple points. This can help support all kinds of innovative activity, business intelligence, AI, ML, and merging of analytics with operational workflows in order to generate automated action. So modern pipelines need to synchronize all this real-time data across distributed architectures in order to drive faster, smarter analytics and operations.